Hello, Internet. This might actually work, hopefully. The screen record. Okay, let's join my friend and build a boat for treasure. Just making sure you guys are still there. I know what to do when I'm screen recording. Now, what to do, though? What to do, though? Okay, how about we go to the menu? It ain't loading. There, it might load now. And there. How about the flying butter? Starting out strong. Like, really strong. And fast. And fast. Like, really fast. I go. Okay, this is actually getting a little surprisingly fast. I mean, I've done this before, but... Oh, come on. I've never had this smooth of a run. So this is just extreme. Oh, come on. My butter block is no longer working, so... By the way, sub to LCLC. Oh, I survived. Ew. I hate that noise. It's ear piercing. It just pierced my ears. Here. Alright, time to show off all my wealth. Anyways, we got wealth. Okay, we should be reaching the end. And, oh no. How does that work? Tago fire, Tago fire. And leap. Bam. Well, there goes my channel. Money. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Bruh. Only 52 gold. And no, I do not have any Robux. I only have 17. Maybe, I think. I don't know. Okay, I don't know what to do now. Sorry guys if this is a short video. I just never play like new games. Wait. I guess I could start another video later on a little game next to Jenna. Bye-bye now.